Finding private meeting space at the office in a moment's notice can be a challenge. So we created Illumigami. Illumigami is a lantern that shows you at a glance what rooms are available. The lantern changes color based on room availability. Green when a room is available, red when a room is occupied, yellow when a room will soon be occupied, and blue when a room will soon be available. Illumigami works perfectly for ad hoc meetings anytime you need a room fast. Illumigami was designed to be straightforward to construct. Custom printed circuit boards clip into place within 3D printed plastic housing. An integrated SparkCore microcontroller connects to Wi-Fi, and strip LEDs surround the housing in a compact design. Putting the form literally over function, the housing is then covered by an origami paper lantern, or a translucent 3D printed orb. Illumigami integrates with Graba, custom software we wrote to easily reserve conference rooms on the fly. We're currently loving the addition of Illumigami to the Boulder office and are rolling it out in all meeting rooms across Viget's 3 offices. To read more, check out pointlesscorp.com/Illumigami.